Alright guys, welcome back to another White and Dirty Garage. So I've had my Jeep here for about a year. Gives me some weird readings on the gauge. Obviously you're here watching this video because yours is doing the same thing. So all the forums and stuff like that say that these Jeeps just run warm, this and that. Alright, so typically mine would be like from halfway, it would get to 3/4, cool down, go back. It was basically fluctuating in between there until yesterday or the day before, I forget which day it was. She went all the way down to almost to the red, and the light kicked on, and the dummy light told me, hey, you're overheating. So I was like, alright, well, let me address that situation. So, let me show you guys what I did. Maybe I can help someone out. Alright, so, if you look down in there, right here is a bleeder valve to bleed air. That's a thermostat housing. Alright, so I stopped at AutoZone, grabbed the $18 thermostat. Now, inside that thermostat housing, you're going to have this guy here, or very similar. This is the original one that was in the Jeep. I don't know if it's factory. I would assume probably not, because it's got like 160,000 miles on it. But I'm assuming this is going to be the same concept with any Pentastar engine. So this is basically what I did. I drill a hole right there, right, and I face that up towards that bleeder screw. So it would be in the Jeep, in the engine like this, with this at the very top. Now what that's going to do, that's going to allow, when you fill the radiator and the coolant runs down in there, you know, it's going to allow that air to basically bleed itself out and travel through, not creating an air pocket on either side of this thermostat. Now I don't know if just this thermostat was bad, if it was a coincidence or what, but my Jeep doesn't go past halfway now. This spring here was the one that was with this thermostat. It's not very, I mean, it's stiff, but it's not as stiff as the one that's in there now. And then, so these are both old, with the old stuff. This right here, this came with the new one, but it didn't really want to go in very easily, and I didn't want to break my housing, so I used the old one. But the new thermostat came with a little bit stiffer spring. So I don't know if it's a combination of the spring and the thermostat, or if this thermostat was just bad for a long time and it was just slowly going out on me. I'm not real sure, but I can tell you one thing. I've done this on other vehicles.
You are currently being recorded.
Okay, rude camera. I've done this on other vehicles, and it's absolutely helped for sure. So you guys give it a try. It's free. It's not gonna mess anything up. The thermostat's 18 bucks. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if it helps, or if somebody already knows this secret. Just trying to help someone out. Appreciate it. White and Dirty Garage. I'm out.